To heal, first of all, to understand my feelings because I had so much of it from my past, and I just felt like nobody was listening to me. What a child goes through when they're abused, and when they grow up, how they become, and how difficult it is to handle, relationships and normal activities and things. It's a really difficult subject to talk about, but being molested is just horrible, and having a mother that did not protect you is even worse. I was pregnant with my daughter. He beat me till I was knocked out all the time because he didn't want that baby. I just snapped, and I said, I'm going to kill him. I have to kill him. In order for me to get away from him, I thought of my kids, and I said, no, I don't want to do that, because if something goes wrong, it's not going to work out, because my children will be taken away from me, and the whole purpose of me even going to kill this man is to protect my children. Usually the car is the one where he beat me the most, is driving places, and where he's arguing with me, and, he's just trying to control me in every way. And if I didn't listen to him or do exactly what he said I was supposed to do, that's when he would, lose his temper all the time. It changes you and makes you stronger than what your children make you stronger. That's it. You don't even have no support. I didn't have any support, any family, any friends. Better to set yourself free from everything that is bad in your life so that you can move on to happier things. To heal, first of all, to understand my feelings because I had so much of it from my past, and